welcome to 10009 Bridgeton Drive, Westchase, Tampa, Florida. Linda Nowicki and the Tampa Realty Now team proudly present this 2,597 square foot, two-story home featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, a sparkling heated pool and spa, and a brand new roof, all located on a conservation home site just steps away from Baybridge Park in the Bridges of Westchase. Step through the front door into a charming sitting area with hardwood floors. The step-saver kitchen makes every square inch count with ample counter space and cabinets, breakfast nook, all kitchen appliances included, and a double pantry. The kitchen opens to the family room and dining room. Great for people who like to cook and enjoy company at the same time. A powder room on the first floor is perfect for guests. The second floor offers a 17 by 18 foot loft that makes an ideal media space with built-in desk and double closets, great for storing DVDs, video, and board games. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite master bath with dual sinks, garden tub, walk-in shower, and linen closet. Bedrooms 2, 3, and 4 share a full bath with dual sinks and a tub shower combination. The 35 by 35 foot screened lanai was designed for entertaining with a sparkling heated pool and spillover spa, plus a covered area perfect for alfresco dining year-round. The roof is brand new with a transferrable warranty. The home is situated on a conservation home site with no rear neighbors and is just a 1-minute walk to Baybridge Park, which features adult exercise stations, hiking, a picnic pavilion, playground, and a soccer field. Westchase offers top-rated schools, Publix, a walkable downtown with loads of restaurants and shops, 2 community pools, tennis courts, soccer, sand volleyball, and much more. 1009 Bridgeton Drive, your new home in the Bridges at Westchase, Tampa, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicki, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.